Have you ever found yourself staring at the ceiling at 2 a.m., wondering why sleep doesn't come as easily as it used to? Maybe you drift off just fine but wake up too early. Or perhaps you toss and turn all night. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. Sleep changes as we age, but that doesn't mean restless nights have to be the norm. In fact, some seniors sleep like babies, and today we're going to uncover their secrets. Why this topic matters. A good night's sleep isn't just about feeling refreshed. It's essential for your health, mood, and overall well-being. As we age, sleep patterns naturally change, but that doesn't mean restless nights have to be the norm. Poor sleep can lead to daytime fatigue, difficulty concentrating, memory lapses, mood swings, and even a weakened immune system, making you more vulnerable to illness. Over time, chronic sleep deprivation can increase the risk of serious health conditions, including high blood pressure, heart disease, and cognitive decline. But here's the good news. You don't need sleeping pills to get better rest. In fact, many common sleep issues can be improved with small, simple changes to your daily habits, environment, and routine. Whether you're struggling with falling asleep, waking up too often, or just not feeling rested in the morning, these strategies can help you regain control of your sleep and your energy levels. So, if you've ever found yourself staring at the ceiling at 2 a.m., feeling exhausted but unable to sleep, this video is for you. Let's dive into some practical, science-backed techniques that can help you achieve deeper, more restful sleep starting tonight. Number 1. Stick to a consistent sleep schedule. Your body runs on an internal clock called the circadian rhythm, which controls when you feel awake and when you feel sleepy. Over time, irregular sleep patterns, like going to bed at different times each night or waking up too early, can throw off this natural rhythm. This is why some seniors find themselves lying awake at night or waking up long before sunrise, even when they feel exhausted. When your sleep schedule is inconsistent, your body doesn't know when to produce sleep hormones like melatonin, making it harder to fall and stay asleep. On the other hand, maintaining a regular sleep-wake cycle helps train your body to feel sleepy at the right time and wake up naturally in the morning, leading to better quality sleep and more energy during the day. The fix: set a fixed bedtime and wake-up time. Choose a schedule that works for you and stick to it every day, including weekends. This consistency helps your body develop a predictable sleep cycle, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up feeling refreshed. Adjust gradually if needed. If your current schedule isn't working, don't make sudden changes. Instead, shift your bedtime or wake-up time in 15-minute increments every few days until you find your ideal routine. This allows your body to adapt smoothly. Create a calming bedtime routine. A relaxing pre-sleep ritual signals to your brain that it's time to wind down. Try reading a book, listening to soothing music, or practicing gentle stretching. Just be sure to avoid bright screens and stimulating activities before bed. Get morning sunlight. Natural light in the morning helps regulate your internal clock and reinforce your wake-up time. Try opening your curtains right after waking up, drinking your coffee near a window, or stepping outside for a few minutes. Bonus tip: while naps can be beneficial, avoid napping for longer than 30 minutes, especially in the late afternoon. Long or late naps can reduce your sleep drive at night, making it harder to fall asleep when you need to. If you must nap, aim for a short power nap between 1 p.m. and 3 p.m. to avoid disrupting your nighttime rest. By staying consistent with your sleep schedule, you can train your body to sleep more efficiently, helping you feel more rested, alert, and energized throughout the day. Number 2, create a relaxing bedtime routine. Do you remember how as children we had bedtime routines? A warm bath, a bedtime story, maybe a glass of milk. These little rituals signaled to our brains that it was time to sleep. As adults, we often skip this step, but a consistent nighttime routine can work wonders for improving sleep quality. Your brain thrives on patterns, and a predictable wind-down routine helps signal that it's time to shift from wakefulness to sleep mode. Without this transition, your mind may still be active when you get into bed, making it harder to fall asleep. The fix: how to build a calming pre-sleep routine. Dim the lights early. Bright overhead lights suppress melatonin, the hormone responsible for sleepiness. About an hour before bed, switch to soft, warm lighting, like lamps or night lights, to help your brain transition into sleep mode. Limit screen exposure. Phones, tablets, and TVs emit blue light, which tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime. If you must use a device, enable the night mode setting or wear blue light blocking glasses in the evening. Ideally, power down screens at least 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Drink a caffeine-free herbal tea. Certain teas, like chamomile, valerian root, or lavender, have natural compounds that promote relaxation. Make this a part of your nightly routine to condition your body for rest. Read a book or listen to calming sounds. A gentle, light-hearted book or soothing instrumental music can help your mind unwind. Avoid thrillers or intense stories that might be too engaging and keep you awake. Practice deep breathing or meditation. Slow, controlled breathing techniques such as 4-7-8 breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7, exhale for 8, can slow your heart rate and relax your nervous system. Even 5 minutes of mindful breathing or meditation before bed can make a difference. Try gentle stretching or light yoga. Certain slow, low-intensity movements can relieve tension and calm your body. Focus on neck, shoulder, and back stretches to ease muscle tightness from the day. Bonus tip: take a warm bath with Epsom salts before bed. The warmth helps relax your muscles, while the magnesium in the salts may improve sleep quality by calming the nervous system. By following a consistent bedtime routine, you train your body to wind down naturally, making it easier to fall asleep, stay asleep, and wake up feeling refreshed. Number 3. Get morning sunlight for better sleep at night. Here's something surprising. Your morning habits play a big role in how well you sleep at night. One of the most effective yet overlooked sleep hacks is getting natural sunlight early in the day. Your body relies on an internal clock or circadian rhythm, which tells you when to feel awake and when to wind down. Natural light is the main regulator of this clock. When you expose yourself to sunlight in the morning, your brain gets the signal that it's daytime, helping to properly time the release of melatonin, the hormone that makes you sleepy at night. If you don't get enough daylight exposure, your body may struggle to distinguish day from night, making it harder to fall asleep when bedtime arrives. The fix: how to use morning sunlight for better sleep. Step outside within the first hour of waking up. The best time to get sunlight is early in the morning, ideally within 30 to 60 minutes of waking up. This helps reset your body clock and improves alertness during the day. Aim for at least 20 to 30 minutes of sunlight. Direct exposure is best, so try to sit by a window, step onto a balcony, or take a short walk. Even if it's cloudy, natural daylight still helps regulate your circadian rhythm. Don't wear sunglasses during this time. While sunglasses are great for eye protection, wearing them right after waking up can block the full benefits of natural light. If possible, expose your eyes to indirect sunlight for at least 10 to 15 minutes before putting them on. If you can't get sunlight, try a light therapy lamp. During winter or on dark, cloudy days, a 10,000 lux light therapy lamp can mimic natural daylight. Sitting in front of one for 20 to 30 minutes in the morning can help keep your sleep-wake cycle on track. Bonus idea: combine your morning sunlight with a short walk or light stretching. Movement increases blood circulation, boosts energy, and helps you feel more awake. Even just walking around your yard or sitting outside with a cup of tea can make a difference. By making morning sunlight exposure a daily habit, you'll naturally regulate your sleep cycle, making it easier to fall asleep at night, sleep more deeply, and wake up feeling refreshed. Number 4. Watch what you eat and drink before bed. Ever notice how some nights you drift off effortlessly, while other nights you're staring at the ceiling, wide awake? The culprit could be what you eat and drink in the evening. Your body needs the right balance of nutrients to support relaxation and melatonin production, while certain foods and drinks can interfere with your ability to fall and stay asleep. The fix: how to eat and drink for better sleep. Avoid caffeine in the afternoon. Caffeine can stay in your system for up to 8 hours, meaning that late afternoon coffee, tea, soda, or even dark chocolate could keep you wired long after bedtime. If you're sensitive to caffeine, try switching to herbal tea or decaf options after lunch. Be mindful of alcohol's effects. While a glass of wine might make you feel drowsy, alcohol actually disrupts deep sleep. It can cause frequent wake-ups, dehydration, and reduced REM sleep, leading to grogginess the next morning. If you enjoy a drink, try to have it earlier in the evening rather than close to bedtime. Avoid heavy, fatty, or spicy meals before bed. Eating large, greasy, or spicy meals late at night can lead to acid reflux, bloating, and discomfort, all of which can make it harder to sleep. Ideally, finish dinner at least 2 to 3 hours before bed to give your body time to digest. Choose sleep-friendly snacks, if needed. If you're feeling a little hungry before bed, opt for light, nutrient-rich snacks that support relaxation and melatonin production. Some great choices include a banana with peanut butter. Bananas contain magnesium and potassium, which help relax muscles, while peanut butter provides tryptophan, an amino acid that promotes sleep. A handful of almonds or walnuts. These nuts are natural sources of melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep cycles. Greek yogurt with a drizzle of honey. Yogurt is rich in calcium, which helps your brain use tryptophan to produce melatonin. A small bowl of warm oatmeal. Oats contain complex carbs that can help trigger the release of serotonin, a calming neurotransmitter. A glass of warm milk. An age-old remedy, milk contains tryptophan and calcium, which may promote relaxation. Limit liquids before bed to avoid nighttime. Trips to the bathroom. If you often wake up needing to use the bathroom, try cutting off liquids about an hour before bed. This way, you stay hydrated during the day but avoid sleep interruptions at night. By making smart food and drink choices in the evening, you'll set yourself up for a deeper, more restful sleep and wake up feeling refreshed instead of groggy. Number 5. Make your bedroom a sleep sanctuary. Your sleep environment plays a huge role in how well you rest. Think of your bedroom as a sleep-only zone, not an office, TV room, or place for stress. Every element of your room, from the temperature to the lighting, can either help or hinder your sleep quality. Here's how to transform your bedroom into the perfect sleep sanctuary. The fix: how to optimize your bedroom for better sleep. Invest in a comfortable mattress and pillows. A worn-out mattress can cause aches, pains, and restless nights. If your mattress is over 7 to 10 years old, it may no longer provide the support your body needs. Look for a mattress that supports your back and joints while still feeling comfortable. Likewise, pillows should keep your neck aligned. If yours is too flat or too high, it could be causing stiffness. Memory foam, latex, or down alternative pillows are great options for proper support. Keep it cool. Your body temperature naturally drops at night, and sleeping in a cooler room helps trigger sleep. If your bedroom is too warm, your body will struggle to reach the right state for deep rest. Try using a fan, air conditioning, or breathable cotton bedding to regulate temperature. Block out light and noise. Even small amounts of light from streetlights, electronics, or alarm clocks can disrupt your body's melatonin production. Use blackout curtains or an eye mask to keep the room dark. Noise can also be a problem if you live in a noisy area or wake up easily. A white noise machine, fan, or soft earplugs can help mask sounds and create a peaceful atmosphere. Remove screens 30 to 60 minutes before bed. The blue light from phones, tablets, and TVs tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime, making it harder to wind down. Instead of scrolling on your phone, try reading a book listening to calming music, or practicing deep breathing exercises before bed. If you must use a screen, enable night mode or wear blue light blocking glasses to reduce the impact. Declutter and create a calming atmosphere. A messy room can make it harder to relax. Keeping your space tidy and free of distractions can help signal to your brain that it's time to rest. Consider adding soft lighting, calming scents like lavender, or a cozy blanket to create a sense of peace and comfort. Avoid watching the clock. If you wake up during the night, resist the urge to check the time. Watching the clock can make you anxious, making it harder to fall back asleep. Instead, focus on relaxing your body and breathing deeply to ease back into sleep. By optimizing your bedroom for sleep, you're creating an environment that makes it easier for your body and mind to relax, leading to deeper, more refreshing rest every night. Restful nights, energized days. Aging may bring changes to sleep, but it doesn't mean you're doomed to restless nights. By making small adjustments like sticking to a sleep schedule, improving your bedtime routine, getting morning sunlight, and optimizing your sleep environment, you can enjoy deep, refreshing sleep again. Remember, good sleep isn't just about resting, it's about living well. When you sleep better, you feel better, think clearer, and enjoy life more. So tonight, try one of these sleep hacks and let us know how it goes in the comments below. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest videos. Share this with a friend who might need better sleep. Let's help each other live our best lives. See you in the next video.